In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. The chart of accounts is the backbone of your bookkeeping. It's the list of all the categories you use to track what your business owns, what it owes, what it earns, and what it spends. Getting this set up correctly from the start will make your reports clearer, your tax prep easier, and your day-to-day bookkeeping much smoother. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. At the top right of your screen, look for the small gear icon, which is the Settings menu. Click on that, and from the options that appear, choose Chart of Accounts. This will open the full list of accounts that already exist in your company file. To create a new account, go to the top right of this page and click the New button. This opens a form where you'll define all the details for your new account. Start by entering an account name. Choose something clear and specific, like office supplies or online advertising, so you and anyone else using QuickBooks can immediately understand what belongs there. You can also enter an account number if you're using a numbered system. This is optional, but very helpful if you want your accounts to appear in a particular order, or if you're following a standard numbering structure from your accountant. Next, select an account type. This tells QuickBooks how to treat the account in your reports. Common types include asset, liability, equity, income, and expense. Once you select the account type, you'll also choose a detail type from the drop-down menu. The detail type gives QuickBooks more context, and it can help you pick the right category if you're not sure where something belongs. If this new account should sit under a broader category, you can make it a sub-account. Check the box that says Make this a sub-account, then choose the parent account from the list. For example, bank service charges might be a sub-account under bank fees. Sub-accounts help keep your chart of accounts organized and your reporting more granular. For balance sheet accounts, like bank accounts, other assets or liabilities, you'll see fields for an opening balance and an as-of date. Enter the starting balance of that account on the date you want QuickBooks to begin tracking it. This step is important for ensuring your balances and reports are accurate going forward. You can also add a description. This is a great place to clarify how you want this account to be used, especially if multiple people are working in your books. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new account will now appear in the chart of accounts and be ready to use in transactions and reports.